Stop waiting to feel motivated. Stop waiting to feel ready. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Your mood doesn't decide your future. Your systems do. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they wake up every day asking the same question. What should I do today? And by the time they decide, their energy is already gone. Today, I'll show you how high performers think differently. Not smarter, faster. So stay with me till the end, because this might be the reset your life actually needs. Follow the plan. Follow the plan. Follow the plan, even when your mood says no. The smartest thing you can do is separate decision time from execution time. That's why every Sunday, winners plan their entire week. Meetings, workouts, deep work, even rest. Because when the week is planned, your brain doesn't waste energy deciding, it just executes. If your week isn't planned by Sunday, you didn't lose motivation, you lost structure. You don't get what you want most in life, you get what you work for. Most people say they want success, but their calendar says comfort, their bank statement says distraction, and their actions say avoidance. If your time, money, and habits don't match the life you say you want, be honest. You don't want that life yet, and honesty is the first step forward. Here's a lie we were all told. Respect is earned. No, respect is set. You don't scream, you don't argue, you don't beg. You walk away. When you respect yourself, your standards do the talking for you. And when you believe you're in charge, you try harder. You stay longer. You don't quit early. Psychology calls this an internal locus of control. Life calls it ownership. Motivation is like a phone battery. It drains. Structure, that's the power grid. If your goals depend on feeling motivated, you're already behind. Don't decide at the moment. Decide before. Pick your meals in advance. Plan your workouts. Remove choices. Less thinking, more progress. Here's where most people get it wrong. They wait to feel confident before they act. But confidence doesn't come first. Action does. Action creates experience. Experience creates competence. Competence creates confidence. You will never feel ready before the first rep. You feel ready after. So lean into the discomfort. That's where growth lives. One rule that changes everything. If you're emotional, don't decide. Emotions spike errors. Stress clouds judgment. Give yourself 24 hours to feel bad. Learn the lesson, move on. Suffering doesn't equal growth. Recovery fuels performance. Work expands to fill the time you give it. So cut the time in half. You'll focus faster, decide quicker, drop what doesn't matter. Clarity comes from constraints. That's why top performers don't rely on feelings, they rely on systems. Their life isn't chaotic, it's repeatable. When you stick to the plan, you start trusting yourself. And when you trust yourself, everything changes. Discipline doesn't just get you results, it builds the person you respect. If this made you think, you're already on the right path. This is Talk Fluently. We don't wait for motivation, we build momentum.